Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm meeting with my really good friend Mark, who runs a company called ArchieSoul Man. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, ArchieSoul Man sells some amazing male focused products, and Mark has just added a range of beautiful, super nice leather bags to his collection. Mark's asked me to do some drone footage with him today, so he's got some assets that he can use on the ArchieSoul Man website. So that's the plan for today. We are at Haughmond Hill in Shrewsbury in Shropshire. The weather is beautiful, the wind is very light, so hopefully the perfect conditions for some fantastic drone footage that he can use. If you do like this video, as always, please do like it, subscribe to the channel. It would help me out so much, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so using the DJI Neo to film the footage at the start of this video, Mark and I originally headed for the blocks area of Haughmond Hill here in Shrewsbury, Shropshire, and it was incredibly busy, and our plan was always to reverse the footage that we were filming on the DJI MINI 4K. So with all those people around, there wasn't a chance of us being able to film any footage that was reversible. So we headed for this area of Haughmond Hill, and this is where the family stones are. They're big sort of sculpture stones with holes in them that you can see through. And we had a strong feeling that it would be a bit quieter there and give us a chance to capture the footage that we needed. So first flight of the day, not particularly focused on the product here, and the plan was to reverse the footage, as I already said, with the dog running around and people on the bench. Not particularly ideal, but it was a good opportunity to get that first attempt at a Dronie dialed in, and I was really happy with the way that I flew here, and it just sort of goes a bit awry at the end. But generally speaking, pretty happy with that as a first attempt. Now, flight 2, complete mess. Better on the product, but flying around all over the place, so abandoned that one pretty quickly. So flight 3 focused on the product a bit better, and for this shot I changed the speed of the drone from normal to cinematic, and I'm really happy with the way that looked. It feels like I've flown pretty nicely there, just raising the drone up and adjusting the gimbal slightly. However, still people in the shot, and we were waiting for them to move on while we were having these attempts at getting it right. So for flight number 4, feels like the product is nicely in shot there.
pretty happy with the way that's looking. Raising the height of the drone here, and again just adjusting the gimbal. So getting a lot closer to the final shot that we wanted to get here. You can start to see just what a stunning place Haughmond Hill is, especially on a beautiful day like that. So bringing the drone back in, now the footage gets a bit jerky here. I think I'd put it into sport mode if I remember, just to bring the drone back in. I was flying into the wind, so the cinematic mode speed, flying with the wind, is probably a bit faster than it would have been typically. But just bringing the drone back in manually here. You can kind of see me behind the stone there. I tried to hide behind the stone a bit more effectively in the main shot, but yeah, we're getting close. So for flight number 5, again, product in shot. However, as I start to reverse back here, the angle just isn't quite right. You can see too much of me flying the drone. The mark and the product just aren't in the centre of shot. So quickly abandon that one. So flight 6 is the final flight of this series, and it's the shots that we were most happy with. I think the angle looks great, speed very good, and helpfully, and I didn't know this at the time, that Mark has called this bag the Wrekin, named after the hill, the Wrekin, and that's the hill that's in the background of this shot here. So totally apt for the product. I think that shot looks great, perfect to be reversed. And that's what you'll see in the final piece of footage, the reversed shot 6. So yeah, we were both very happy with what we achieved at the weekend. We managed to find that great spot on Haughmond Hill to film this footage. Eventually it cleared, and yeah, created a nice asset for Mark to use on social media and his website.
So there you go, just a couple of hours of filming at Haughmond Hill in Shrewsbury in Shropshire, supporting my good friend Mark with his company ArchieSoul Man. Hopefully the footage gave you an idea of the type of footage which will eventually make its way onto his website and assets for his social media. Great fun. I thought the footage looked really nice on my phone, so I really look forward to getting it converted and seeing what it looks like, and then of course I'll send it on to Mark for him to use. If you did like this video, different this time, but please do give the video a like. Please do subscribe to the channel, it would help me so much. There are links to all of the products that I've used today in the description. Won't cost you a single penny more. They're all affiliate links, and as always, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.